Hey guys, so I have this tree that is taking over my orchids and my plumeria tree. So I'm going to trim this down, and I just thought I would give you guys a video since this is what we're doing now that we're home. Okay, bye. Yay! It looks pretty good. Everything else that's up there is orchid. Orchid or dragon fruit. Or dead leaves. So this is orchid, dragon fruit, orchid in the back. This is orchid. Over here is orchid. It looks so much better, and mostly I just am trying to keep all of that watered enough because it's really dry and hot here. I'm going to give you a quick little close-up. So this is an orchid. There's the roots on this plumeria tree, and this is the dragon fruit, and it does have little sharp flakies on it. That's the spotted dove or pigeon. I think it's a spotted dove. I'm not sure. These are Brazilian cardinals. They're much like the cardinals on the mainland, but they only have red heads. His girlfriend came to visit. Why do you only eat half of it and then throw it? Those guys are cute. I don't know what they are.